Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 3 trades, and today's date is April the 14th. And just to let you know, I am away from home helping the wife with her company and taking a short bit of a vacation here. So I took yesterday off. I'm available today in the hotel, of course. I'm actually in Chatham, Ontario, within 3 hours west of where I live. And as she is doing her thing, I am trading today. And starting tomorrow, early in the morning, I will not be able to trade, as I'm going to be on the road again, as we are continuing our little vacation part of this trip, and it will be extended into over the weekend. That's one of the main reasons why I got into trading 17 and a half years ago, was I wanted to be able to take a vacation anytime during the week. Whenever I feel like going, I just take my laptop and away I go. As long as I have internet, and if I have a little bit of time, pull up the charts, grab some pips and ticks, and then I got the rest of the day to continue sightseeing or whatever I feel like doing. It's a beautiful sunny day today. Life is great when you can totally enjoy what you're doing and do it while you are on vacation. So now I just worked on futures because they move the most and pay the most, and trading was fantastic today. Got in various times, 806 and 626, closed them all out about, let's see, 10:08, 10:09. Okay, now we can check into this gold. There's the arrow. Right at 6 o'clock in the morning, I was putting together my daily trade plan. Now it did say to sell, but the market's very random. It decided to do one more cycle. Once it hit this general area, same as over here, and once I started seeing red candles, I knew it was going to go down and test this area and further down, and it would turn into a winning trade. Remember, when you're doing futures, 10 or 20 pips many times will not hold. Let's drag and drop to see where I did get in at. As I said, it could have just as easily kept going down, but it decided to do one more cycle. I have a very unique way of trading, and my daily trade plan gives me confidence that eventually it will produce a winner. So I took the trade at this cursor. Could have made a lot more down here, but this is where I saw it. This is where I closed out. Now it has to be 33 because it pays $10 a pip or a tick, and that is why you see a total down here of $3,320. Now, as I said, I have a unique way of trading, and some traders, they just, especially new traders, they don't want to give more than 10 or 20 pips, and that is why they keep having loser after loser. You must have a daily trade plan, and then you analyze the trade plan, and it'll let you know whether you should be buying or selling, and then you just follow the cycles. And this TZ is very good for the cycle. I should have waited for the move up. I didn't. Should have got in across here and I would have got paid a lot more, which is well over 100. But anyhow, not a big deal. Still have a winner, and that's all I care about. Not everybody can trade the way that I trade, but it took me many years to figure this way out. You, as an individual trader, you have to figure out which way will work the best for you. And until you do that, you're always going to be struggling. Remember, trade management and money management is worth only 10%, and your trading system is only worth 10%. 80% left over is psychological. If you don't get proper mindset in order, you will fail. And I would say about 90% of the traders out there, minimum, never ever get the psychological part in order, and they're doomed to fail. And that's why we have 95% of the traders who are failing. Please keep that in mind. Another thing you should keep in mind is that every 2 months, because it takes approximately up to 2 months to get your hands on training, education, a system, then you have to put in 30 to 50 trades and or more. And at that point, you'll know if this system is good for you. And if you're still struggling, well, guess what you have to do every 2 months? Buy more education. I know you don't want to hear that, but it's the only way that you will ever learn. Keep getting more education, and the more you get, the better you will become as a trader. And trading does take time to learn. You're not going to spend a couple of $100 and in 30 to 90 days find success. And if you've been trading for a number of years, well, you probably already realize that. Trading is more difficult. It's one of the most difficult things to do. You actually have a better chance over the course of 7 years of finding success to be a doctor or lawyer than becoming a successful trader. But for the 5% of the traders out there who make it, they say this is the best thing to do. Working a few hours a day and making 10 times more money than doctors and lawyers. So keep that in mind. Don't give up, and keep studying and getting your hands on education till you find success. That is a very, very good tip for the day. Moving right along to the S&P 500. S&P 500, here we go. Now this one here, I had to wait for things to look a little bit better. I did end up selling it. So let's see where I got in at. See how the market is very random? And by the way, this is 9:30 a.m. opening bell. This happens many times. It'll spike up and down, hit this area of resistance, and then it'll just carry on with the trend. So here we go. I took the trade at this cursor. Remember, it's $5 a tick. I'm gonna have to probably get a calculator, but let's see. That's 152, and if you times that by 5, that's around 75. Well, that's close enough. So 152 times 5 times 10 lots. That's why it paid out, and you see down here $7,625. Love trading the Pipsnagger. Love the Heikin-Ashi. It's nice and clear. Red we're selling and blue we're buying. And of course this magic TZ indicator down here at the bottom. It's great for picking tops and bottoms. It helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. This up and down movement actually I call the flow of the market, and this is what you have to learn and master. So let's check out this NASDAQ. Pays $20 a tick. Let's see now, there's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling, exactly what I did. Everything is nice and crystal clear. Let's see where I did get in at. Well, went blue, pullback, started to go down. This is where I got in at. Let's see, did go against me, not a big deal. Remove the last 2 digits, that's 36 ticks, and I ended up locking in, well, it has to be 14. So it's actually 140. Looks like above 140. Yeah, 141, because if you times that by 20 times 10 lots, and so 141, you can easily see it paid out $28,220. So another great day of trading. And today I just added up all the ticks. I knew it was going to be over 300. So that makes me happy as I try to get minimum 200 each trading day. The total ticks came to 326, and those 326 paid out $39,165. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Pipsnegger, well, recommend that you get your hands on it along with the daily trade plan. If you want to get any information at all you got to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. My Pipsnegger system, I do charge $250 for it. Now I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. My system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, 9 bonus videos. This is just all bonus stuff. A lot of it actually, which should help you to succeed at trading. Now, there's a lot of ways to trade. That's why I did 50 training videos, about 20 minutes long each. The more ways that you learn, the better it'll be for you. Now you can put the video on pause. If you have any questions, simple, just give me a call. Here's my number. If you live too far, not a problem. Just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I really do prefer Skype. Simple again, I made it for you. Just click on this link. We'll have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Remember, I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 40 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So, time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day, well, I'm definitely going to be too busy tomorrow as we're on the road again, doing some more sightseeing. So more than likely it'll be Monday morning, and the next video, same thing. And between now and then, have a fantastic weekend. And good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.